Alright. When you smile, everything seems great. I've waited for so long and made no mistake. All I am reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. While we're young, come on, wait with me. Keep me close, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. It's like a fresh new start. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. Hey, I'm moving closer to you. Have thought that I'd breathe the air, spinning round your atmosphere. I hold my breath, pulling into you. Break my fall, don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh no, 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 no. Is the moment I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. Is the moment I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. Hey, yo. Hello.
Give it up for Felipe! Hello, Sir Felipe.
Hello po.
Nice to see you again. Hello, mga sisiyo. Sir Felipe, mag-hi ka muna sa mga sisiyo na kanina pa naghihintay at nagsisigawan.
Of course, hello Fleet, hello Cecil. Hello sa lahat ng 18 na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa event ng Close Up. And I'm so happy to see you guys here today with us. Kaya maraming salamat, especially sa third floor na nandiyan sa third floor, sa second floor, dito sa gilid, dito sa harap ko. Maraming salamat. Love you guys so much.
Yon, di ba may Jenna tayo dito? Parang nasa concert na tayo agad. Pero Sir Felipe, bago tayo mag-start sa mga Q&A natin, mag-hi ka naman sa team bahay natin. Kanina pa sila dyan sa comment section. Sa team bahay. Eto,
Sa mga team bahay dyan, ng mga nanonood, hello sa inyong lahat. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo habang nanonood ngayon. Yun.
Yes. At para naman mas fun, mas komportable yung atake natin, Sir Felipe, may paupuan ako, umupo tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Oo, mag-relax tayo.
Yep.
Actually, palit daw tayo. Oo, palit
Sige
daw
po.
tayo. Sorry po, parang kinakabahan naman ako bigla dito sa trabaho na to. So, Sir Felipe, how are you?
Okay naman ako. Feeling great. Feel happy na nandito ako ngayon kasi you know, it's not always na makapag-perform kami in front of our fans, you know.
Yes, di ba? Ang daming surprises natin sa mga fans natin today. Pero bago natin kausapin ang mga media people natin, nakasama natin today, para sa'yo, Sir Felipe, ano ang pinaka-memorable experience mo last Feb, kasi di ba magkakasama tayo ng February, sa Close Up Red MV Watch Party. Ano yung mga highlight ng Feb event natin for you?
Definitely yung hindi sobrang memorable yung ano, yung for the first time na panood ko yung music video ng red version ng Moving Closer, Abay Close Up. And yeah, isa pa doon yung ano, na-meet na-meet ko yung Don Bell. And
Yes.
especially yung fans nila. And pinaka-memorable yung ano, yung 18 na nandun, yung Fleet, Cecil, mga nandun sila.
Yes, of course. And we're here to make more memories happen. Pero for now, let's talk to our media friends. Let's call on Ms. Ali Calinao from PEP. I think my question siya for Sir Felipe. Ms. Ali. Hello, Ms. Ali.
Hi Ken, my name is Ali from pop.ph. So my question is, how important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Sorry po, ano po yan?
Medyo umi-echo kasi. Oo, medyo umi-echo.
How important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Yan. How important daw yung smelling good? Tama po ba, Miss Ali?
Smelling good.
Kapag may nami-meet ka daw na person for the first time.
Importante siya kasi as an artist, hindi lang bilang artist kahit, you know, and everyday, ano mo lang, pag may lakad ka, ganun, it's important to smell good and nakaka-boost siya ng confidence, especially pag, for example, like, mabango yung ano mo, mabango yung breath mo, ganun,
Yeah.
while talking to people, like meeting new people. So, yeah, it gives so much confidence sa tao. Yeah.
So do you have a go-to scent?
Go-to scent. May
Go-to
scent ka
scent.
ba?
Pag perfume siguro, ano, mas ano ako sa fresh kasi mainit kasi sa Pilipinas eh. So, gusto ko yung cool na ano, na scent and fresh lang. Yeah.
Okay, so next question lang. What's your biggest dating mishap or embarrassing moment while trying to impress someone?
Magkakaalaman
What?
tayo, Sir Ken. Siya ang nagtanong.
Dating. Meron ba?
Baka naman wala, o di ba? Meron ba? Baka naman wala.
Parang wala eh.
We are happy for you na wala, o di ba? Gusto natin yung ganyan, walang dating mishap na ano, walang embarrassing moment. Very
Kailangan, you gotta keep your cool, di ba? Ganon dapat always kasi, syempre, ayaw mo naman na mamaya ma-disappoint sa'yo yung ano,
Ayan.
yung dinidate mo. So as much as
Ayan.
possible, you gotta try everything, and you gotta do everything just to, you know, just to impress the girl that you love or just impress the guy that you like. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Ali. Parang ako pinagpapawisan sa mga questions dito. Okay.
Pinagpawisan ka, ako yung pagpapawisan dito, parang
Ay, ikaw
na-hot
may
seat ako dun.
Hindi, sa jacket lang yan. Sa jacket lang.
Ba?
Hindi sa tanong, Sir Felipe. Okay. Asan po si Sir Christopher Pernell from Philstar. Ayan. Hello, Sir Chris.
Hello po.
Hello. Hi, Philip. Good afternoon. Congrats
Afternoon po.
on this. So, bilang nasa close-up tayo, in your opinion, how long does it take para ang isang tao maging close sa isa pang tao?
Oh,
Wow.
gaano katagal para masabi mong close mo na? Tama po ba yon? Yes.
Ang hirap.
Napapaisip ka ngayon bigla talaga naman.
Meron kasi silang tinatawag na ano eh, yung parang kahit first time nyo palang mag-meet, you feel like, ano, parang comfortable or compatible kayo with each other. And meron ding matagal na magkakilala, they're just, you know, like, kinikilala nila ng mas malalim yung isa't isa. And, yeah, it depends siguro sa ano, it depends sa person. Merong short, and then like, talagang close na sila agad or nagkakagustuhan na sila. Meron ding mas mahaba kasi gusto na lang kilalanin pa yung isa't isa. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. May question.
Galing ko dun na.
Habol na question.
Okay po, okay po.
Given that, anong advice mo sa mga taong gustong maging close sa isang tao?
Advice mo sa mga taong gustong may maging ka-close. Ang sabi ni ate dun sa likod ni Sir Chris, mag-toothbrush with
Mas
close.
gusto
Ang galing mo dyan,
maging-
madam.
I think, yeah.
Diba?
I think,
Oh,
yeah.
Bibigyan kita ng time
Come
mag-isip.
on.
Gusto mo ba mag-isip?
Ang hirap talaga. Yeah, other than smelling good, I think, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, uh, as much as possible, make someone happy. And, I know na hindi sa lahat ng oras pagiging, happiness yung nandyan. Andun yung struggles na darating, but still, you gotta be there whenever like he or she needs you. So, yeah. Support. Yung support talaga. Tsaka communication always. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. Maraming salamat. And now let's move on to Sir Christian Lee, eccentric yet happy.
I'm Mel from Manila Concert Junkies.
Ay, hello
Hi
din
po.
po.
Good afternoon po.
Kumusta, Philip?
Mahirap pa ba yung question ninyo? Hindi naman, no?
My question is, given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skill or hobby? If yes, what are these?
Ulitin po
Ano po
natin,
yun?
madam, kasi grabe yung
Sorry.
echo, yung echo
Sorry po.
talaga dito eh. Quiet tayo, guys, wait. Okay, madam, go.
Given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skills or hobbies? If yes, ano yun?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Every day, yung person talaga, madami pang sobrang daming kailangan matutunan. Even like professional athletes, professional singers, dancers, araw-araw meron pa talagang mga bagong skills na kailangan matutunan. And for me, there are a lot of things that, gusto ko ring matutunan. Especially when meeting new people. Especially yung speaking skills ko because I'm not that good with, pakikipagsalamuha sa iba't ibang tao. So that's a kind of like skill na gustong-gusto ko matutunan talaga.
Thank you so much,
Salamat
madam.
po.
Meron pa tayong additional question. Okay, thank you so much to our media people. And eto, may last question ako sa iyo, Sir Felipe.
Yep.
Talaga, para namang Tito Boy Abunda talaga atake ko dito. So, syempre napag-usapan na natin yung mga cool, fresh, di ba? Yung kilig-kilig natin ngayong araw. Ano naman yung mga bagay na natutunan mo as a close-up endorser na magagamit mo sa life as one of the P-pop kings? Parang pang-pageant yung tanong
You know what?
ko.
I learned to smile often.
Yan.
Kasi dito talagang mapipilitan. De, joke lang. Bro, it gives so much, warmth pag nag-smile ka talaga. I mean, I learned that so much, but ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala smile eh. Yeah, but, seeing my fans there, mapapasmile ka eh kasi, the support, the love, yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, ano ba tawag dito?
Very comforting na agad eh. Kapag
Yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, hindi mo pigilan, mag-smile ka na lang na para kang parang out of nowhere, parang But, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile palagi.
yes, and we are very we are very grateful sa close-up na sabi nga ni Sir Felipe ay he smiled more often. At gusto natin yan. Pero bago yan, I will have to let you go muna. Kasi ayoko na iinitan si Sir Felipe, di ba? Pero mamaya makakabonding pa natin siya. 18 sisiws, palakpakan natin, Sir Felipe. Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Sir Felipe. Ayan, makakasama natin siya maya-maya lamang. Whew, teka nga. Okay ako. Oo, okay tayo. Okay. Guys, do you want more kilig?